My son and I took a road trip this summer to Washington, D.C. There were so many fun things to do. We talked to Abe at the Lincoln Memorial, and one night we stopped by the White House after a bike ride. We visited the National Mall every day. The last day we were there, we saw the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier and watched a changing in the guard, and on the way home we dropped by Notre Dame. But one thing that intrigued me the most was the Pentagon. For my project, I'm going to find the area of the Pentagon if I know one side of the Pentagon is 921 feet long. The way I'm going to do this is by dividing the Pentagon into 5 equal triangles. I know the central angle of each of those triangles is 72 degrees because 360 divided by 5 is equal to 72. Next, I'm going to divide that triangle in half and make a right triangle with it. I know my angle is going to be 36 degrees. And this is what my triangle is going to look like. It's 36 degrees because 72 divided by 2 is 36. I take 921 divided by 2 and I get 460.5. And I need to find the height to find the area of that triangle. The way I'm going to find the height is by taking tangent of 36. Tangent of 36 is equal to 460.5 divided by h. The way I'm going to solve for h is by multiplying both sides by h. Then I get h times tangent of 36 is equal to 460.5. Next, I'm going to divide both sides by tangent 36. So I'm going to get h is equal to 460.5 divided by tangent 36. When I plug that into my calculator, I get my height as 633.82 feet. Now I can find the area of that triangle. To find the area of a triangle, I take base times height and divide it by 2. When I plug that in, I get 145,937.06 square feet in one of my 10 small triangles. But since there would be 10 of those small triangles, I have to multiply that by 10, and I get 459,370.6 square feet.